Listen, let's clear one thing up right now. Forget everything the online gurus have sold you. There's no such thing as get rich quick. There's no such thing as get rich easy. But there is such a thing as get rich quicker and get rich easier. The truth is, there are smarter paths that give you way more results for way less effort. I'm not some guy who just made one business work and now preaches about it. I've been in the trenches for over a decade, building from the ground up. I've run software companies, built physical product brands, and scaled digital businesses. I've also failed spectacularly, learning expensive lessons so you don't have to. Some of the businesses using my software platforms now do over $100 million a month in revenue. I've tested almost every business model under the sun. And I know which ones are low effort, high ROI. What's the most money you can make with the least amount of effort? You've seen those videos that scream you're not a millionaire because you're not working hard enough. That hustle culture is a trap, designed to keep you busy, not wealthy. So why aren't teachers, nurses, and construction workers millionaires? They work harder than 99% of entrepreneurs I know. It's because hard work without leverage is just spinning your wheels. It's not about how hard you row, it's about which boat you're in. The business model you choose is your vehicle, and it's way more important than how many hours you grind. To find the laziest, aka smartest business model, I've developed a simple 5-point litmus test. This is the exact framework we're using today. Upfront capital. How much money do you need to start? Scalability. Can you earn more without working more? Fulfillment. How hard is it to deliver what you sell? Risk. How much do you stand to lose if things go wrong? Difficulty. How steep is the learning curve? If a business scores low on capital, low on risk, low on difficulty, but high on scalability and easy fulfillment, that's our golden ticket. That's the winner. Let's start with the classic, dropshipping. It's the business model you see everywhere online, promising easy money. On paper, the concept looks amazing. You find a product, a supplier ships it, and you pocket the profit without ever touching inventory. Easy, right? Well, not exactly. The reality is far more complicated. Upfront capital. You'll need $2,000 to $5,000 just testing products and running ads. Scalability? Moderate. You're always chasing trends and fads. Fulfillment? The supplier handles it, but you're on the hook for delays, refunds, and quality issues, which can quickly ruin your reputation. Risk? High. Competition is brutal. Ads can burn cash fast. Difficulty? High. The learning curve is steep. Bottom line, despite the hype, dropshipping is far from lazy. It's stressful, risky, and honestly getting harder every year. Next, the social media marketing agency, or SMMA. This is a service business where you run ads, do SEO, manage social media, or generate leads for local businesses. Upfront capital, basically nothing. Your main investment is time, not money. All you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and some free tools. Scalability, low to moderate. Because it's a service, more clients directly translates to more management and more headaches. Fulfillment, moderate. You can outsource, but you'll still manage clients and a team. Risk, very low, no big money needed up front. Difficulty, moderate. You'll need to learn prospecting, outreach, sales, and management. SMMA is amazing for beginners, perfect to hit your first 5 to 10K per month. But scaling it big can turn into a nightmare. Now let's talk about the holy grail everyone dreams about, software as a service. Yes, it has created billionaires, but let's be brutally honest about what it really takes. Upfront capital, minimum $250,000, and that's just to get a serious product built by a team of developers. Scalability, extremely high. Once it's built, the cost to add another user is almost zero, so it can scale globally, fast. Fulfillment, brutal. It's a never-ending cycle of bug fixes, updates, and demanding customer support. Risk, very high. The vast majority of software products fail. If yours flops, you lose a massive amount of time and money. Difficulty, very high. It takes years and a full team. So yeah, software can make you filthy rich. But lazy? Absolutely not. Now at this point, you're probably wondering, okay, if dropshipping is hard, SMMA caps out, and software is brutal, then what's left? Which one is actually the laziest? Stay with me, because the next revelation is where things get really interesting. So here's the truth. The laziest way to make money online isn't about shortcuts. It's about leverage. Choosing a model that doesn't drain your time, doesn't eat your capital, and doesn't trap you in endless client calls. That's the smart move. Now, if you want me to break down the step-by-step playbook for getting to your first $100 per day online in 2025, using the laziest model, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with lazy below, and I'll know you're serious, because remember, The laziest path is often the smartest one. I'll see you in the next video where we dive deep into the complete blueprint.